how to change your monitor resolution in Windows. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the resolution of your monitor in Windows. This is super easy to do. Stick around till the end. I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, go to any blank area on your desktop. Make sure you're not clicking on a shortcut or an icon. Just right-click on that empty space, and from the menu that pops up, select Display Settings. That's going to open up the Settings window right on the Display tab. Now scroll down a bit until you see the Display Resolution section. You'll notice there's a recommended resolution listed, but you can click on that drop-down to see all the available resolutions for your monitor. Pick the one that works best for what you're doing, whether you want sharper visuals or a lower resolution for performance. Once you select it, your screen is going to adjust right away. At this point, you'll see a prompt asking if you want to keep changes or revert. If it looks good, go ahead and keep it. If something went wrong or the screen doesn't look right, just hit revert and try another one. And that's it, simple as that. You've now changed the resolution on your Windows monitor. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button for more handy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.